So good morning. I'm currently heading to the open market, but not the same as usual. I'm going to a market I used to go when I lived in this neighborhood, and I haven't been there for a while, so I'm curious to see it again. I've just came back from the market, so this is everything I got. I got some mushrooms, some eggs, some clementines from the south of France. I got some endives, a lot of endives, because I want to make a gratin for a person who is sick, and I know he likes endives, so I'm going to prep some endives with bechamel and ham. This is a French traditional dish. I got some carrots, I'm going to prep them. I got some bread, this is some sourdough bread. And finally this squash, so I'm very happy I could find this squash because it's called cabocha. And I've wanted to try it for a very long time because I've heard it's very, very good, very sweet. So I'm happy I could find this morning. And I'm going to prep this too. So yeah. This is everything I got. I'm going to prep the endives first because I have to cook them before making the gratin, and then I will prep the carrots and the cabocha squash. Now I'm going to prep my bechamel for the gratin. I'm making this gratin for a person who likes bechamel, because otherwise I would use crème fraîche instead of bechamel, because I don't use bechamel. But this person likes bechamel, so I'm going to do some bechamel. So I have 1 liter of milk, because in fact I'm going to double the recipe. I have some wheat flour, and I'm going to melt some butter. All my ingredients are ready. I drain the endives. I'm going to let them cool. This is the bechamel. I'm going to add some nutmeg, some cheese, some pepper, some salt, and maybe a bit of butter. I got the ham, I got the cheese, and this is the dish I'm going to use because, as I said, I'm going to bring this dish to this meal to a person who is sick. So this way I don't need to retrieve it. I can let it there. And but I think I have too much ingredients, so maybe I will make 2 dishes. We'll see. I had the ingredients to make 2 dishes, so it's perfect. I will bring 2 dishes. So now I'm going to add the bechamel and the cheese. I'm going to cook the carrots and I will store them in the fridge, the cabochas squash too, and this way I will have some sides for next week to go with ground beef patties or chicken, and I will just have to add some spices and herbs or crème fraîche or butter and olive oil maybe, and I don't know yet, but we'll see next week.
Chorando por uma nova ferida, mas como até que de um mato nasce uma flor. Muitas vezes é da dor que vem o amor. E o que pensava que era um engano, seus olhos de luz e vejo um anjo. Esqueci dos tropeços, esqueci das caídas em noites perdidas. Vou encontrar o meu lar. Foi do seu sorriso que encontrei a paz, alguém que preciso pra não olhar mais pra trás. Foi do seu sorriso que encontrei a paz, alguém que preciso pra não olhar mais pra trás.
One gratin with endives is ready. So now I'm going to put the other one in the oven. The gratins are ready and they smell delicious. And now I'm going to prep the dinner. For dinner I'm going to prep some to make some camembert baked in the oven. I've already made this video, this recipe with you, but it was kind of a fail. So, but I think the camembert I chose this time are better for this recipe. We're going to see.